Little naughty one. 37 bucks. Only more than another. So, there you go. Let's up. I don't care. Like, what's strong? Mr. Manticle, Mr. Mangardy, Mr. Manhappy, Mr. Nosy, Mr. Neasy, Mr. Bump, Mr. Snow, Mr. Messy, Mr. Turty, Mr. City, Mr. Upty, Mr. Small, Mr. Dream, Mr. Forgetful, Mr. Jelly, Mr. Nosy, another Mr. Nosy, Mr. Lazy, Mr. Funny, Mr. Mean, Mr. Chatterbox, Mr. Fuzzy, Mr. Bounce, Mr. Button, Mr. Dizzy, Mr. Impusticus, I don't know what this means, Mr. Grumpy. I see how much books we got left in there. How to take this? Okay. Mr. Quiet, Mr. Rush, Mr. Todd, Mr. Woody, Mr. Worship, Mr. Long, Mr. Skinny, Mr. Sniffy, Mr. Buzzy, Mr. Babe, Mr. Slow, Mr. Grumble, Mr. Perfect, Mr. Cheerful, Mr. Man, Days of Christmas, Mr. Cool, Mr. Rude, Mr. Good, Mr. Nobody, Mr. Birthday, Mr. Christmas. Done. What? Little Mess. Little Miss Books. Little Miss Books. What about Mr. Little Miss? Oh no, you can open it. Thank you. Oh, there you go. So, wait, I opened it. بس بابا
خل على الارض يلا.
اوكي.
بل هاي بس. اوكي.
Little Miss Books, Little Miss Hike, Little Miss Christmas, Little Miss Birthday, Little Miss Princess, Little Miss Hoops, Little Miss Bad, Little Miss Scary, Little Miss Sublet, Little Miss Country, Little Miss Fun. I'm a little bit tired of telling all these books. Little Miss Cartress, Securious, Little Miss Bernie,
Binary,
Little Miss Fickle, Little Miss Greedy, Little Miss Tidy, Little Miss Wise, Little Miss Quick, Little Miss Busy, Little Miss Star, Little Miss Scatterbrain, Little Miss Lit, Little Miss Dorothy, Little Miss Chatterbox, Little Miss Twins, Little Miss Blind, Little Miss Shy, Little Miss Magic, Little Miss Helpful, Little Miss Scared, Little Miss Trouble, Little Miss Tidy, Little Miss sunshine, little miss neat, little miss naughty, and little miss buzzy. There, we're done with the